Hi everyone, my name is Angela and I'm here with SkipperBud's at Lake Fenton, Michigan, and today I'm going to show you this awesome 2013 Hurricane 236 Fundeck. This boat has a 200 horsepower Yamaha on it, so you can expect to hit speeds between 38 and 42 miles an hour approximately, and this boat was meticulously maintained. When I start showing you through here, you're going to fall in love with it because it is so clean and in such great condition. I also want to let you know that the only time they used this boat was to go to the sandbar, drop it off, or party or whatever they're doing, and then drive back. So they really didn't use it much. It has very low hours. Can't wait to show it to you. If I start on the outside of this boat, you can see on the front is a huge deck. And then it's got a couple fishing seats here. You can just sit out here and hang out. The seats are nice, just to chill. Also, if you don't like them there, you can just put them away. So you're not obligated to have those seats out. This is a custom carpet piece that's removable. It's got a couple little dings on it, but this boat is a 2013. It does come with this Venture trailer. It's an aluminum trailer. There's a small ding right there. Tandem axle trailer with load guides, so those are nice if you're new to boating. And this right here, just a small little ding in here as well, nothing major. And we're gonna go around here, stainless steel cleats. Got your ladder right here, 200 horsepower Yamaha in the back again. Stainless steel prop in great condition, no dings or anything. Little tiny scuff there. I'll give you a little glimpse of the inside, but you can see from here, it looks like a brand new boat. I'm so excited about it. I have to tell you guys, when I first saw these boats, I thought, they're a little bit strange. They're definitely different and very unique. But the best thing about them is when you actually ride on one of these boats, they are so comfortable, just like a pontoon. Everybody's relaxing and just laying out and having a good time. But when you're ready to do your water sports, this thing handles, it has a fiberglass bottom. So it handles literally, it's a fiberglass boat. So you can do all of your water sports, not to mention it's pretty quick. 40 miles an hour on a pontoon, it's nothing to, wave your hat at. It's really great. Anyway, this is an awesome boat. I have customers, the wife really, really wants a pontoon, but the husband's like, no, I don't want a pontoon. I'm never getting one. This is the compromise. So it is fiberglass and it's a pontoon, so everybody's happy. I'm going to show you a little bit more of the interior. Start here on the front. You can see your fishing seats here. If you take a look at the pictures that are attached to this, you can see the insides of all this. I've opened everything up. But you've got pretty good lounge space right here. It's very long. And then you have your center floor storage. And then you have the L shape back here. It's also nice because the captain is included in this part of the boat as well. You also have a sink here. Glove box. And underneath it comes with a cooler, and behind there is a little faucet that is attached to like a 5-gallon, and you can fill up with margaritas. Comes with this really unique table with lots of cup holders. And remember how clean this boat is. 12-person capacity. If we go over here to the dash, let's check it out. We've got a Lowrance 4-inch Elite. It's going to be chart plotting, fish finder, all that kind of stuff. You have your miles per hour, your fuel gauge, RPMs, voltmeter, and then a trim gauge, which is also really nice. A lot of boats don't have that. And here's all your other switches This boat also comes with a Sony stereo. And then over here you can see you got stainless steel speaker covers here, which are really nice. These are never gonna look terrible. In the back, got a ski tow bar for your water sports. The gentleman that I'm selling this boat for bought 2 new batteries for you to make sure that the boat was good to go when you're ready to use it. You've got 2 portable cup holders here, put it wherever you want. It does come with a full bimini, and all of the canvas and all of the seats and everything in this boat are in excellent condition.